One of the key challenges in upgrading subway signaling system is the limited amount of time available to shut down the tracks. Due to the 24/7 operation nature of the New York City subway system, track work is typically performed only on late nights and weekends. To address this problem, one of the MTA Genius Challenge winning ideas provided by Bechtel Corporation proposed the utilization of robots to rapidly deploy new signaling equipment. Similar systems have been used in other transit projects in Europe. Based on this idea, MTA Intelligent Transit contracted Reliabotics, a local robotics and automation company, to develop a prototype to determine the feasibility of using robots inside the subway tunnels.